Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a install for y'all, and guys, today's video is in collaboration with Neflyonwigs. I don't know if I even said that right, but yeah guys, they sent me this really cute wig that I'm going to be installing for y'all. And guys, this is a 5x5 lace closure, and I was really excited about this because, you know, I like me a closure wig that actually has space, and I have not in a long time done a closure wig with actual space. It's been these like T-part closures that have no parting space, no nothing. So I was really happy that this actually has space and you can part it where you want to, and it ended up looking like a whole like frontal when it wasn't. So that's the inside. The knots were already bleached, which I love, and it's in this ombre color. I'm not even sure what the color is, but I'll leave it in the description box below. And this is a 20-inch unit, and it is in 180% density. The hair density to me is a very like natural kind of vibe. That's what it was giving me. It's not very thick, but it's not thin either. It was giving like very natural density, so that's what it looked like. And I'm just going to be using some Got2b free spray as well as some Got2b gel to get it together. So I'm adding like a layer of that Got2b gel just on the middle portion of my head where the lace is, because we're just gonna lay that down so it looks seamless and, you know, your closure isn't like hanging on for dear life. So yeah, and I'm just using my blow dryer on cool, and then I'll use some sprays, like a few spritz of the Got2b free spray, then I'll put it on cool again, and then I will just lay my lace in and it'll melt just like that, pretty easy. This is like beginner friendly. You don't have to like lay it if you don't want to, but I like laying it because I feel it gives the closure a more of a frontal vibe, which that's what we always want to look like. We don't ever want to look like we're wearing just like a closure. You want it to give like frontal, give natural scalp realness. So that's what we're doing. And yeah, I didn't do a ball cap because this is supposed to be something that's quick and easy. So you could always just use like a black wig cap. That's even easier. So you wouldn't have anything like showing through the lace, but I'll correct all that with some foundation, and you'll see in a minute how easy it is to correct. And if you do it and the hair isn't fully laid, you just need to add a little bit more free spray in the areas that you want it to lay. And yeah, I'm just using this blow dryer. And if you want to check this blow dryer out, you can check my Amazon storefront. It's in the description box below.
Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Let it be, just let it be. 'Cause everything will happen, so get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen, so get up on your feet. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today. Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't worry about you. Stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta pay these bills, save something. I need 10 more hours in a day. And when I'm feeling stuck, something else comes up. Sometimes I wanna have fun, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing.
So I'm just going to tie that down just so everything just lays seamlessly and the lace melts into my skin. So that's what that's about. You can like tie it down for a few minutes, or the longer the better. But yeah, even like 5 minutes, it helps with the laying of the lace. So that's what it's looking like. And it literally looks like a frontal to me, but it's only like a closure, and it's serving scalp. I like how the knots were already bleached, so it looks really realistic. So I'm going to go in with my foundation powder. I think this is the RK Kiss powder. I got it at my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going in with a angled brush in the part just to line it up and also to blend the lace into that section where the wig cap starts. And then I'll go in with like some mascara on the parts that are kind of like see-through, and I'll just use that to make the part way sharper, also to just give a seamless blend where you're not seeing the wig cap. And I'm using, what is that? I'm using the Style Factor Edge Booster wax stick, I think that's what it is, and I'm just using that to lay the part. And yeah, then I'll go in with the mascara, and that's like a little trick to make your part more sharp and everything just looks way more seamless.
I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything is gonna work out fine. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna come on time. All I gotta do is live today.
Guys, if you're new to my channel, please feel free to subscribe, stick around girl, and become a part of the fam. Also turn your post notifications on so you never miss when I do upload. I do beauty, lifestyle, and also makeup videos, and I promise y'all makeup videos are coming, like way more makeup videos. Y'all, you're just gonna have to stick around because I'm coming in with a whole lot of new content very soon, very soon. Just stick around. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really love and appreciate you guys. Like, your support means the world to me. And for this hair, I literally am going in with my curling wands, and I'm just doing some curls. I didn't want anything like, you know, too crazy. I just wanted like some loose curls, so I'm just going in and doing some curls. And that's literally all I did with this hair. And I also went in after the fact and I used my scissor to cut just a little bit of layers, not crazy layers because my scissors was so dull, but I tried to do some kind of layers, girl. Guys, if you like this hair, all the information is in the description box. Please check it out. There's also a coupon code so you can get dollars off. And guys, this hair, it's a very soft. It wasn't shedding, and even though it's like a color treated hair, it wasn't dry, because oftentimes hair that's bleached is pretty dry. It wasn't dry at all, so I love that. The hair is pretty good. The only thing that I would want is maybe like a heavier density, but for the most part it's pretty good, and it looks very natural and nice. And I love the scalp on it. It looks very realistic. Like, look at that. I look like I got a relaxer or something. That's what it looks like to me. But yeah, guys, let me know your thoughts down below. Please leave me a like, please leave me a comment, and most importantly, like, subscribe. We are on the road to 100K, so subscribe to your girl. And yeah, let's do it.
Living with so many, but I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Everything's gonna change when you surrender. Get rid of bad people in your life. Have faith and see that anything can happen. So get up on your feet and stop worrying about things. Here we go again. I gotta start all over making friends. I need better people in my space. I wanna be in love. Other times I just wanna give up. I need to learn to trust, but I can't. Got problems that I'm dealing with. So many mistakes I made. I'm living with so many. But I gotta find a way to make it through today. I'm leaning on a song that says everything's gonna be okay, okay. Stop carrying problems through your life. Just let it be, 'cause everything will
this is the finished results. I really hope y'all like it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.
Everything is gonna end just right. Everything is gonna fall in place. Don't